G'day guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'll just do a simple quick recipe here. What I got here is I'm sauteing some mushrooms, some spring onions, some garlic, got a bit of herbs. I'm going to make a pasta here, and let's get on to the next step. Now I'm going to add about a cup of chicken broth. Now I'm going to reduce this down before I add the cream, so I'll bring that up to a boil. So that's about a cup. So I'll bring this up to a boil, then I can add my thickened cream, then I can add my pasta, my cheese, and that's about it. Okay guys, now I've reduced this right down. Now I'm going to pour in the cream, and we're going to mix that all up. Then I'm going to add the cheese, then the pasta, and then we're done. Okay, I'm going to put some cheese now, just some Parmesan cheese. Put as much as you want. You can put chili in this, you can put white wine when you're sauteing the mushrooms. You can vary this up. Now I'll put in the pasta and I'll dish it up. Now I'm using a penne pasta for this. You can use spaghetti, whatever pasta you want. So I'll just put some more in here. That'll thicken up with the cheese. And why is it flickering? I don't know. Just a shout out to the copycats and the random subscribers from my shorts. Thanks for coming. Let's dish it up. And there you have it, my friends. A simple pasta you can make at home. Give it a try. You can put capsicum in this. You can put olives in this. Chili. You know, make it simple. Keep it simple. But it tastes good. Anyway. Thanks for watching this video, my recipe, and it's flickering again. And like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, and I'll see you later.